Hey folks, it's Tony Fortunato from the technology firm. Here's something I showed somebody last week. It's been around for a while, this tip, and they just weren't aware. So I thought, what the heck? Might as well show you. I'm going to start a capture, just capturing everything, right? No real capture filter to speak of. From here, I'm going to ping good old 8888. And then I'm going to ping 9, which is not, 8889, thank you, which is not going to work. And then I'm also going to ping 88810, which is also not going to work. So while that is cooking in the oven, I'm going to come back over here and show you the display filter. You may probably know ip.addr for an IP address. And I'm going to type in 8.8.8.0/24. Enter. So now it will capture anything within that range, so to speak. So anything through 888, 9, 10, 11, 12, whatever. And then of course it could be 16, or all your subnetting applies. So I can see here's 8, there's 9, and there's 10. Real simple little tip. If you ever have to capture from or display IPs from a range of IP addresses, that's the easiest way to do it. That's it, folks. Have a good day. Bye for now.